Hello Wizards! In today's walkthrough, we're going to take you through how to create themes with Wizard's Theme Generator by using inspiration from Dribbble. You're going to learn how to never be short of inspiration again when creating your projects in Wizard, so let's get into it. Wizard's Theme Generator reduces the time it takes to create themes to seconds, and this can be used in many different ways. You might have found inspiration like this cyberpunk style image and want to try it out on your project. Maybe you're working on a project for a client and need to implement their branding guidelines. Or perhaps you're building an app for your business and need to apply your own branding. Whatever the scenario, Wizard Theme Generator has you covered and allows you to implement and try different styles in seconds. Dribbble is a self-promotion and social networking platform for digital designers and creatives. It serves as a design portfolio platform, jobs and recruiting site, and is one of the largest platforms for designers to share their work online. This means it is also a source for inspiration, as it holds designs from the world's best designers. You can search by format, such as mobile and web, or you can be more specific in your search. Maybe you are designing an app for healthcare or food delivery. As you can see, with millions of designs, you're never going to be short on ideas. While browsing through Dribbble, the best way to save all the designs you like is by creating a collection here on the right hand side and then saving designs to that collection. It means you can save all your inspiration in one place and also means you don't have to open lots of tabs. When you do find your inspiration on Dribbble, you may want to try it out on your project, and this is where we use some wizard magic. First, take screenshots of your saved designs on Dribbble, then simply open up your project and click on the Themes tab on the left hand panel. Scroll to the bottom and you will find an option to create your own theme. You will then see 4 options, but the one we're going to use is Create Theme from an Image. Give your theme a name and upload the first piece of inspiration to let Wizard do its magic. Alahamora, your theme is unlocked. Want to try out another one? Just go through the same process again and then use Theme Switcher on the left hand side to jump between different themes until you settle on the one that works best. There you go, you will never be short of inspiration again. Did you find this video helpful? If so, give us a like and subscribe for more Wizard content.